Why do sneezes zigzag? Curious, huh? Hold tight for just 60-ish seconds and we'll uncover this peculiar phenomenon. Welcome to BiteU. 1 bite knowledge nuggets, 1 minute at a time. Imagine this, a sneeze, a sudden burst of air, taking a zigzag detour. That's the perplexing journey of a sneeze, defying the straight path, embracing the unexpected. But why the zigzag, you ask? Like a dance of particles, sneezes waltz through chaos and order, thanks to the intricacies of fluid dynamics. Think of it as nature's way of adding flair to a simple expulsion. Visualize this, a sneeze's zigzag path, a choreography choreographed by the complexities of airflow. In a world of linear actions, sneezes dare to be different, a ballet of breath, an artful gust. Congratulations, you've now unraveled the zigzag of sneezes. Now, how about one more bite?